Hello everyone, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to install the Accessify Accessibility widget on your website step by step. Whether you're using Shopify or another supported platform, the process is straightforward.
Before we begin, let's make sure you have everything you need. First, you'll need an Accessify account. If you don't have one yet, you can create one for free. Second, you'll need access to the website where you want to install the widget. If you're using Shopify like I am in this tutorial, make sure you have permission to edit your theme code. Once these requirements are ready, we can begin the installation. Let's start by signing in to Accessify. You can log in using your Google account or by entering your email address and password. After signing in, you'll be taken directly to the Accessify dashboard. If this is your first time using Accessify, the first step is to add your website. Click Add Site to begin. Enter your website information and complete the required setup fields. During this process, you'll also be able to configure the initial widget settings before continuing. Once everything is filled in correctly, click Continue. Next, you'll see the available pricing plans. Accessify offers different plans based on your website's requirements. Choose the plan that best fits your needs, whether it's the starter, professional, or enterprise plan, and continue to complete the setup. Once the setup is complete, your website will appear in the Accessify dashboard. The next step is installing the widget on your website. Open your website inside the dashboard and click Install. Here you'll see the installation code generated specifically for your website. Simply click Copy Code. We'll now add this code to our Shopify store. Now let's switch over to Shopify. From your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes. Click the three dots on your active theme and choose Edit Code. In the Layout folder, open your main theme layout file. Scroll down until you reach the closing body tag. Paste the Accessify installation code just before the closing body tag. Then click Save. Once the code has been saved, return to the Accessify dashboard if needed, then open your website in a new browser tab. Refresh the page, and if everything was installed correctly, you'll see the Accessify Accessibility widget appear on your website. Your visitors can now use the widget's accessibility features to personalize their browsing experience. If you don't see the widget immediately, don't worry. Refresh your website, clear your browser cache if necessary, and make sure the installation code was pasted before the closing body tag in the correct theme file. These quick checks usually resolve most installation issues.
And that's it! You've successfully installed Accessify on your website. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to customize Accessify widget to match your website's branding. And I'll see you in the next video.